obi a oni ni di nkomo adamfo bi a wo faaye eno na de wawie ba bia wo
papa elaborate chirimu yi
because enye nipa nyina na e fa madamfo
ene nyi obi anso na e kan asem kire no
obi an e kan asem kire ebe ya obitima ya wo maame obitima ya wo papa obitima ya wo sofo enye obi an e kan asem kire ndi se mesai machi bi mu a ka nipa bi wo ho a
ne se ka obeto wano na reka ewo wonka se wabra bone ma enye obi an ka obeka masem kire no
enye obi an me ka masem kire no ene enye obi an me fa na dam
enye obi an be fa na damfo
nipa bi wo ho no ma ono omo nante a na wo ne omo de wo kɔ eseye mu Bible say ekwan bi wo ho etene wo nipa ni so
nso na wiye ye owu akwan
nti no esa wo hwe die nipa wo fa madamfo hwe David ba
Jonathan
Dabi
okay Absalom ana Solomon
Tema
okay
Tema
on Amnon story no
hwe Teman sanka otie efutua anka wa ma no ho kwan ma Amon ne nana ana Amon so tie efutua ana hwe ne hu yi a
enko ne ne mia ban nkoda
ana adamfo bone a Amon fa yenti ane ne mo ne nua ba akoda ye ema Absalom ebetwa ne nkwana so until his destiny was shortened because of adamfo bone
what to ne for bone because my baba can't say me condominium ba say me person una say ochima diba so say bi odi enkwase say na pesa wo ye no una say ochima diba so we open no akokwa che papa na nkakoye ne ho ade but okache ne say o man trick papa can you believe this o say no kwan on fa so nya bone
nti nipa bi wo ho mo ba wa brabo mu a
o say o kwan ye fa so ye bone a be wie wo bone
onya ba so pe na watwe ne ho emra Absalom ebo pa say omunku Amon no na danfo no wo ho ye kun no e shorten ni destiny be na danfo no o live ye
o bone bra but o ti adamfo bone
oti no wanware na wanwo ama ne nkwa na so e shorto ye ni destiny
Ghana de shimai mai nano pe me mamunyina chiba Sompa 106.5 FM ye empeni foka bibi said odi akire no osua de odi kan nante e to mo story inspire mo ne motivate mo no na ye de wo ma ba Sompa Rhapsody so ene twede amponyankopon ayadom ye studio ho e wo Dome Watermelon Street yenya honorable lawyer Kojo Vincent Oponkroma ewa ha amunim se fen Vincent amenene babe shoshin komo eti frobi no obi nsum frɛ obi join your live or your social media platforms ahodo Facebook ye live your Sompa 106.5 FM Accra your Facebook live no your Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and my YouTube nso your Sompa FM live your YouTube page you know your Sompa FM live so we like page na wa share na foforo nso aba betie bi we like na wa share na anopai e was Sompa Rhapsody yankomo no nso de ho ahye mo bi it's an intimate conversation or intimate conversation honorable open asempa but unnim said the nkwada bre musiti wonim niema bia wa fam wa babedru level a wa babedru no enti ne de da so na ebre wo e was Sompa 106.5 FM Accra media sede ma perfect baby diapers woman na ibo me chidoma no pay na perfect baby diapers a gentle care perfect comfort, designed to keep your baby dry all night long. Into Obana di Ohiano no, Memfa inferior diaper and Mobano. The Obani here a perfect baby diapers. Now, perfect baby diapers, the Wusum Sampa and Yamakuya and Kasa. It is open to do it to announce over 053 1099889. A 053 1099889. John's bread and pastries, one of the just hot kenke abba. Also, so ye kenke party, wo ye event be na ope or the Ghana set us a pet. Now, the woman cry, then say, on bet me a customize or package no amount. It is a beer ope fish, ope sadi, said the Wissy penny beer, a year occasion beer. So, ope so order kenke, every baby, one more dependable dear, may come for just hot kenke at the amount. And your finna who could jump so quack to a bro. When to the yellow corner papa be any idea yet. At John's Bakery, our domi commercial bank at Chiho, make your kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kenke. Now, 21st Clinic is your sciatica originator. Sciatica yari no yentina efa osisi chinefs no na efa woto ase abesi wonase. Se eka wodi wotena kakra bia na woto ye we ya. Na no eche se eye yari efa ne sciatica. Womo ma bin womu a womo ye research center ye mu hwehwemu no eye 21st Clinic. And 21st Clinic eto nsafro sebra na Tanta Hill Runabout. Se wufi achemota mo enimu ho a wofro soro ho no a na tema Roman Catholic asori dining chain na Akosua Kumasi Sunyane Techima Nkranza Takwatakura Debrekum Goso no Boase ɛhɔ nyina wobetimi hu 21st Clinic ɛyɛ ayaresabia yare bi omutimisa na mmom de omudi agidin pa no ɛyɛ sciatica yɛ from sciatica expert wobetimi afre 0540311311 ɛyɛ 0540311311 21st Clinic yagiatum Sompa 106.5 FM Accra wopese woni edi djuma yɛ wɔ yɛ client service line ayedi adwuma. You don't need to come to the office and here you bet me a bibia e WhatsApp a bibia or Telegram information be waiting me the announcement of all we bet me a payment through Momo etinya fe na wo buy at na ye kese wo do me Watermelon Street and any penny bressa eti your client service line is so contact here a 0531886216 a 0531886216 wo be say wonya your rate card wo be say woni ye dijuma wo be say wo ye enquiry bia and one say 0531886216 wo be say wo ye announcement social phone announcement ningina no say 0531886216 say be ya wuncha kwan Accra traffic ni ade eti wunya the fire client service line so services bia wo pe bia ye be the amount e 0531886216 obetimi asend ye message or WhatsApp Telegram anasa SMS anasa obetimi mpo afre say wo friend ya amfa ye be fro back e 0531886216 yadam wase say mo ni ye di dwuma na mo ni ye konakra na etie for breno aso eti me ko studio B na makoma honorable Akwaba honorable lawyer Vincent Kwadwo Opon Kruma Mpacho me Akwaba Basompa 106.5 FM Accra
Mejo so Akosua na sadi na shada ka entire money be Kwesiada nkwani
Adentina Kwesiada nkwani ebo
you me April 5
yes
you me ewo Roman asori mu
okay
enti emse sa random papa hwe calendar no so April 5 na St Vincent Day
okay
asi akwa ye be friend
Osha calendar no so also St Vincent yakwa be friend Vincent enti
Kwesiada nkwana mi use St Vincent
yeda se se Sompa ye to nsafre o ya hwehwe wache o
oh many just said nemenya opportunity na baba come on sawa
okay yensu ye ni asopa na who grow handsomely
hey sir
hey I say the more who nyine me kanam kasa wo mra na ka wotiri wo dwene bi agree hair ni bi
agree there wo
na we yi ni nyina yeda se ono abunti ko asa wo da se wo Roman na wo free Roman
say me kwa sorry International Central Gospel Church
of ICGC yankase papa Dr. Mensa Otabel na so wo branch be
me wo Christ Temple East
oh okay
and me fee just 5 minutes
oh okay ene wo dey sorry dey unye late o
yeah na makwa
unye late gra mate ono bo yenhye komonase mami musa o ehfa na wo free
me free achima nyina ase
okay
ene aboase senka ye kano akanfo and she say mu papa kase me fi me papa fi achime nyina ase
okay
ho na yesu anu ne ade nyina no ye di agro wo ewo epoemantem
okay
the one e fro ho Ofonse Ayorubi constituency
okay
ye kura ketewa bi ewo Ofonse Ayorubi constituency no
okay
and me ma me fi Aboagye no wo Abrase Bukwama Nkese district I wo central
region okay
ba mi ankase wo mo Koforidua
e wo Koforidua ai okay eti wo ma me no papa na mu nyina mote sometimes bi mo free blended family bi a broken family e bi mo o de na te se na ma me ne papa ene mo siblings mu nyina mote baby ba
Debbie, me papa na oye checheni, no a teacher.
Okay.
In fact, there's an interesting story bia yenya kwan kwache kakrameka, but just to answer your question, me papa no a teacher.
Okay.
And na onya kwan their friend management training program.
Okay.
I was Abraham Barclays Bank.
Okay.
Enti onya bank adwuma nom de no kokọ round. Enti okọ yo akotena nsa home, akotena oboase, akotena tamale ni ade. Enti na ye ne ye maame nete. Me maame na ehwe so ene me nana ba me maame omno hwe so afiti Koforidua anti me papa ntena from fi say me nkwala bremu abedu maybe about 10 years
okay
and sana me papa in fact busuani na ye papa
ebomu etina mu ye nuafo dodo say
ye enuafo miensa
okay una ye panyina
me na medikai
okay abakai first child
ena abrantie ba ko tintin gram pa
okay
oso wasemi
okay
ono di mechi e friend kwabna
okay
and sana babayo ba ko no ye lawyer friend abna ono so na edi echi
oh okay enti mo child net se na mo ye family I want say family bi e mu ode ase mo jimani and a family bi so papa na ye strict won't me message say wo ko daddy ho cry say wo ye kem usuro me ba cha wo de net say ana say now the papa de wutimi call me de me papa de na me suro no wo ye rofa wo be cha wo ma sesi a
say na me kan no ye ni me papa ntna be abepem tama me di be 10 years
10 years okay
ye ni me mame ene me mame me nana ba
okay
ena etna se anase etna ye fiti ye nkwala bremu a e wo Koforidua
okay
because ye wo me Koforidua di nti ye wo me Koforidua say satam na mame chade Ghana secondary school
okay
say wetifo ni bi empenifo kakra on be kai mame bia ne friend no Miss Felicia Kumsin
Miss Felicia Sabreno.
Friend of Miss Felicia
Kumsen, okay.
No, a senior house mistress.
All right.
Ghana secondary school Koforidua. Nti hona ye nyina ye wo yen.
Okay.
Ti hona ye tena nyi ya mini anu mienu ne me cousins kakra ne ade a etai betena yen chen. Na ma me o kira de enti no na e branch dani no. Nti me na na ba na tete yen ya.
Okay. Oya nana ba.
Na nti say twi kasa, fante kasa, ebe bebre a etori bia na mibu be ne obi say we dey say uta I was be e ona me nana abrewaba
e fa za abrewana na
okay mze 1989 me kai ni 1989 the first time I bank crime.
Oh wow.
Yeah, bank crime. So that time na me ma me transfer fi Ghana secondary school eba Wesley Grammar School abechade.
Okay.
Enti ene yesisa ene ma nyina yenkuku nkaka nyina ka mu yenkrama ni bibia. And yeah, the bar.
Okay.
So that was my first time in Accra. It's not Accra. At age 10, Abranti Ewuni, o papa unen da or expectations be of young man. Charlie Usrun. And you notice any car about people at the Mikako in a bag near the about what be in Pabua in socks, or copins your brain or the bell run in Sunny idea or Tinaconio multiform hall. Yes, ma se ko fa we bra ko fa ba ne ade anopa ono ye ne de wi anoko
okay
nti uhun e bia na I mean weekend so omo kwa yie wo baby ne ade ono ne na danfo pa me se Moses Odrobo thing
okay
na ono ne yedmo Barclays Bank
okay
ti ja no mo ko nti man shada hu na kopem anase man shada na ntena gidigidi ba suro na ne
suro okay
in fact me papa din a yen friend of ye killer nti a kirewo
that's a killer. Oh, by say baby atadi.
Ote ne ka
na bena. Killer ba.
Dia wo ye bia wo bejai. Baba ko pensi obi ejai ko fe baby atna.
Na killer na mo kama nete ya na mo kesi.
Na ifa eda me worry.
Okay.
Eda me worry o. Ene ebo di ni manete ye.
Na so no ko ni onim se sa na wo de fra no ah ni nickname e se ho no te mo bo killer no oda wo ware no e no say ah
omo ye toast ni bi na opani ba ko ka say na so pon ma woni mu ni akola ni for killer but yeah no very very strict
okay
very 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 strict disciplinarian
all right
and invitase ni entiase but se ne obi be ka say me obi a me organized that na free discipline attitude na or the mind
say obi ka say on some phone so ye ma assignment say we
me kai time a ye tro BC na yesua de prepare for BC ba ko be buy me table homa da so tro bia me di me say no ka che me say he me se wan twa BC you know na wanya school ahwehwe a emfa 2-3 mu da se me kwa kofre headmaster bia na so obi say protocol bi ma wo ene crisis school crowd be ko me nko be bia nko bisa favor bia ma
obutu usia de na wada
enti baby abeko no ehye wawo
nsem wow
and indeed me papa never say bia okwa akoye protocol ama na ene unzu atra ho
ene wankasa wo jejereje
nti wankasa se 2 am kra wo be sori na
neze asumbo no ma wa wani ba ho so
tron de na ye adwuma pa me cousin ba ko na yene ni nyin bomu Sifadua Joseph no say lawyer say
okay
me kai tama na o apply o Cape Coast University yi na ne friend no bomba tama o apply for Cape Coast University na papa o fill forms ba ka cho say the kind forms no photocopy
okay
na fa pencil fill a photocopy na you stick our correct
oh yeah
and
son what be wow
nti bomba ko to Cape Coast University forms no yeah photocopy be mienu the first one no the pencil fill in fine na actual one no e shechiri cause you fill it to we no ena extra copy no di agro nti name Saint Bomba deben religion no acho Rastafarian na odi agro ti ye wo fie wo poko ase na call ba se mpapa sata no papa abedu Barclays headquarters no ye deputy treasurer say on fa forms na mra then you dim ka fo ka no the forms ne ba na sa o pack no
yi
near name Saint Bomba na ade na edi eso ti eno no de ba nti obedu Barclays that time no papa wo I'm saying near for say red carpet or something
okay
on man ba so to share no corridor no so on fa forms no man
no the man
to the man killer beer they we and names that's
Jimako
but you know all those lessons
yes
they say a clear your mind say oh fail form
yes
you need sense who need you even though na at the time no money be a hash
yes
and then lessons my
yeah
you know lawyer no so dia dey e baby o particular discipline in there
na very good pa sana say wotie as a father na say killer dey no wasesem
me sure say me name my very very nice and sweet
okay
me didi
okay well
but if you are complaining say oh papa suba any be na person because there are many instances are there no and BBT say waste killer say no pay waste cry
pay fee
waste adia you wasting no
yeah e be say what be e be a tissue kwa no ate abroso and I said duane no odi na bia ka na si ho
in fact no uko dey say bia anwumre we did awie na wa ko be a fridge so ko fa orange juice say if I got to udi ase no otina bitu edi oti inefficiency nti etre bia me hu say nkola no bia me tia ma na music go papa so ban bi na
na wo be so fa wa ase
the traces kakra wo but you know
but I say what add more to say bia friendliness no ayonko fa bia na enni e bia wona papa ntem bebre no wo ma na de
in fact you say yen time no yenyi no papa anya wadamfo o ma me nya wadamfo
it's true
but enen kwala no omusua ne ma bebre wo baby bebre try
yeah that's it mama he o ma me nso no what say wo mse na wo ka say enam na ade kire ne ade no in school nti na onye obi what time bebre but me sure so what time a mutumi say mommy is in the house no to say
ono de obi a on the oye teaching na the by retirement
okay
nti ono de na abrebia de hia ne pa ne say wo be kenkan nkrata nti me kai from a very early age reading there yeah the best show
obekenkan
sa o ye day One of the earliest books are me kind at that time. And crowd kind of the Reader's Digest.
Yeah.
Why they can't read it?
And yet the
if only Papa be at that very young age.
Yeah. That time now obey how many years?
That time not your bank cry fresh into fancy 11, 12.
Yeah. Okay.
But reading need you the best. At every point in time. Onya who say on nam honya hwepe masa kofa book be kan and ono so no English teacher.
Okay.
Nti enen kofo you know upon come say ni bro for na say mama.
Oh mama legacy. Okay.
Ono no be ma abribia obekin kan me kai pa abribia o de eku school a anopa. Ni radio da first ne wo minim say unkofo be kan ne wo GBC FM.
Yes,
GBC FM.
Yeah.
BTN no. Good morning Accra. Ni ko BTN na we are ba no there are two BBC.
No so per talking point ana.
Ono so no per talking point.
Okay.
Nti we are ba BBC. We are BT focus on Africa. Nti Chris Biggerton money ade uti brofu your pronunciation no expressions ni ade. To we there
brofu de obehu.
De obehu obefia bia me nda no pa na sound small say cotton newspapers bra.
Okay.
So we got cotton newspapers. About killer kind we are the better announcement to me kind newspapers na kakra.
Okay.
Nti ono so de na ne main na yipa ne se wo se usua.
Ese usua de.
Wo se usua de. And one fa de sua and your brother.
Yeah.
Nti and in fact ono kan story share me about the man me papa nya kwai ko school. Me na bema. Me papa.
Okay.
Ifa busua ni na ye abetwafo.
Okay.
Nti uba achime nyina se ne adwobua ukọ yebusuo mu aya ben na ita enti na obi ni daso ne se me papa ono no be take over from me nana kwadwo mensa ye de me to
na sa be abetwani obedi ade na se de ye di ja wo no na so be ya abetwani
in fact nke ko sa nka me so nka ba
na o ya abetwani
na me chief abetwani o of us here you
I don't know how far you from one generation to the other and they say ka una chief
but what happened is me papa mama amakeswa
okay
decided said there be we am fan school di kan ka story we say chairman na me so amu echechem story no money ade nti ama me clear my mind say kenya disua nka me kran kenen nka me kenya school a ye de me papa call ya onu nya kran be teacher enya kwan later obehia me mama
yeah
because omienu nya call training college
because nka wan ko school anka o mehia wo mama mpo no aware no
ansana me so because onu nya baby gina ye nti onu sika say me so me nko school enka na bia ubeba no na
I was of once here be abetwa
me nya me galons bia me your operation abesha enu ntina se wa hwa me be MP we ade ba ko a metaye pa ni school sisi
yes
na nko phone tia se yes story na fitimi ma me ne me se wa anom ne ade ma me be hu ye nti me so me wo design say betumi asisi schools ni bebre
yeah
na boa omo a sabi omo so nya opportunity nti so far I'm saying 9 years na you see 9 schools
wow
you go so ahead nkakra nti me ma me de asua no and na open at every point in time
when him say one time be na meet your story e wo joy na ebra na host morning show ho no enti wo kan so e be chairman me say na uncle Ebu e ba show no so enti na wo kan maame asem when him say sa bra na me asana me won kranketwa enti na me mane nyinyini but sa statement na be sinne me dru fie na mabrese ha ne nyina ba ma on kra say eh na de no bi a wo gye wo note ho and I will come to that story but ebra me see say na wo maame ma wo kenkan o ma wo read daily graphic ni ade dailies ni ade na so no any way dey me so me cultivate that thing eti me dru fie kra na my from mommy me say come and read eti wo ye kra na wo read and aboa wo mo
one kind crowd there one page
wo dey one page kra
and pay say me sorry we meeting be or parliament I call be 10 o'clock into me assistant me briefs near there me here no printing in am me take am me
obanya na wo kenkan
na me kan me ye ho by the time at least we be do meeting no we are well briefed we figures near there questions near there because when you for na fi we
kobo timiti I said there be we are abreast of issues no ne ma
the value of reading or say reading no what they consume information until they twine ma bebre whilst I would twine bia unim tama e ho beba mfaso
yeah
ba wo mu a una mo bia nkomo bia ba because e da no me kan bibi say na fi was store of knowledge
yeah
would be ye juma kwa and reading them ma me afan kam ye da and Aboagye pa
honorable e dey now be catch your parents because we your father now you used to be a child now you are a father say e dey now be too about time for na say we share your business no and mommy e bi abohe na mommy a banker papa or ye engineer we batomaware enti obia ko ye hieska middle class for e se onya baby papa tena e se usi udan e se otoka efe e de afuto na wo de bema in the business of life no ye benya de ama ye ma na ya cultivate bibi because we say o ma me no papa build bibi wom ene nene o to aso a wo de ko e de afuto na wo de bema parent bi a wo tie o
minim say awofo bebre no ewiase enema hodo a ye pese yeye no esi yani so
yeah
enti se na okan no abreni abrebia no ye ko up and down ye try say ye be for fele e bi ko school kan adwuma mo ye ho bi peso si dan bi peso toka ne nkeka ho ade but you see what kind bible na Genesis or say abra obo Adam we no or man a charge
okay
charge or the man or say be fruitful
so
multiply subdue the earth and replenish it and only nipa juma nyankopon the man is on be wasasi so nothing else
okay
now be